Good afternoon, everybody. Spamming Steve 1989 here once again. I am out at my brother's house in South Carolina, and this is a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan in his living room. It's a really nice one. I'm not exactly sure how old it is, but can't possibly be maybe 5 or 6 years old. Maybe somewhere between the mid 2010s to 2020, somewhere around in there. It's got 5 blades to it. It's got a nice finish on them. It's got a really cool design. There's the motor up there. I know that thing's got to be heavy as heck. It's got a nice looking light fixture to it, and I am sure that this is the original. And has little bulbs in it. The fan, I do believe, is a 3-speed. There's the switch control right there, and there's the light fixture switch there, and it's a Harbor Breeze. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Alright, it's putting out a good breeze. It's got good performance to it. It's got a little vibration to it, but it really ain't all that bad. Let's go ahead and kick it up. This is the medium speed. Kick it down to the medium speed, I'm sorry. It's the low position. It's got a decent coast down. We'll watch it spin down and then we'll close the video.